Experience Italian country charm. Ivory walls, honey-stained wood, Oushak rugs, crystal chandeliers, and a marble spa bath create timeless elegance from kitchen to porch. Ivory plaster walls and honey-stained wood frame a cozy room with an Oushak rug, plush chenille sofa, and blue damask pillows. A landscape painting hangs between distressed blue baluster lamps. Bluestone floors, warm-stained wood, copper gutters, and iron railings define this porch. Teak furniture with sandy and aqua cushions complete the outdoor retreat. A paneled door opens to ivory plaster walls, arched ceiling, and distressed blue vanity with quartzite top. Bronze hardware, Venetian mirror, and antique knocker add old-world charm. Pewter balusters and wood rail lead to a paneled door framed in limestone. Bronze hardware pairs with windows, while a walnut pew with aqua pillow brightens the stairwell. The master bedroom features a stained wood ceiling, Oushak rug, and iron bed with ivory headboard under a gold mirror. Paisley and monogrammed linens, blue lamps, and a ceiling fan finish the look. A cherry four-poster bed with linen coverlet and ivory skirt anchors the guest room. Bird pillows, bronze lamps, and ivory plaster walls create a bright, traditional space. The marble master bath glows with biscuit tub and sinks, distressed ivory cabinetry, OG counters, and polished nickel hardware. A crystal chandelier crowns the soaking tub. Marble walls meet honey-stained woodwork and panel doors, with polished nickel fixtures adding contrast. A crystal chandelier sparkles over the master bath. The guest bath combines travertine floors, subway tile, and a distressed ivory vanity with Cambria top. Polished nickel fixtures and warm wood details complete it. The kitchen pairs ivory walls, honey beams, and a distressed blue island with wood top. Quartzite counters and a gold-tone mosaic backsplash enrich the design. The mudroom features distressed ivory cabinetry, a wood bench, lockers, and hooks for storage.